Good morning. Uh, Today topic basics of mechanism. Second part of unit 1 of theory of machines. Today discuss the piston mechanism, chain drive and escapement. This is a piston mechanism. The piston mechanism second one is a chain drive, third one is a escapement. The piston mechanism, slider crank mechanism. The piston mechanism essentially a slider crank mechanism used in engines and compressor. The link of piston mechanism, crank, connecting rod and piston frame or cylinder block. Crank means a rotating link connected to the flywheel, connecting rod coupler link, piston slider link move linearly, cylinder frame fixed links. Next one is a chain drive. This is a positive system using a chain and sprocket. The major advantages: no slip, unlike belt drives, can transmit the power over long distance. Chain drive applications: bicycle, motorcycle, conveyor and industrial machines. Next one is a escapement. Is in the clock and watch to control the motion. The function provide intermediate motions, allow the gear ratio to advance step by step. Examples: anchor, escapements in pendulum clocks. Next one is a types of joints. The types of link joints: connection between the two or more links allowing relative motions. The types: revolute, a turning pair, prismatic, a sliding pair, screw pair, cylindrical pair, spherical pair. The first one are turning pair or revolute pair. Rotation only. Examples: a crankshaft in a bearing. Prismatic, sliding bar, sliding only, the piston in a sliding cylinder. Screw pair, combination of sliding plus rotation. Examples: lead screw in a lathe. Cylindrical pair, both sliding, turning. Examples: telescopic joint. Spherical pair, turning in multiple directions. Ball and socket joints. Rigid, flexible, fluid links. A rigid link does not deform under any forces, transmit motion without change. Examples: connecting rod. Flexible link can deform, transmit any one force. Examples: belt, rope, chain. Fluid links. Fluid link, motion transmitted through fluid pressure.